So good evening. So today I will discuss some part of UKG. So today we will revise plants kingdom. So first plants. So how does plants come? So plants come from seeds. So these are the seeds. So this is the seed of masoor. So you know that when we sow some seeds here in the soil and sprinkle some water, and it is in the sunlight, so we can see a pot here and a pot here above the ground. So this is the plant actually. So now how many types of plants we can see? So that is the plants kingdom. Plant kingdom. Plants. So first one is herb, then shrub, then tree, creeper, climber, and one more is grass. So which one is called herb? So herbs are very soft. So they have green stems and very light feathery leaves or small leaves. So we can break them easily in this way. So we can break them easily. So they are herb, like coriander, like marigold. So they are called herbs. And which things are called shrubs? So shrubs they have woody brown stem, but we can break them easily. They are like the bushes. So we can break them easily, not so easily as we can do for the herbs, but easily. So like the shrubs, we can't find any main stem. So here in this way the branches grow in this way. So that is why it looks like a bush. Next one, tree. So they have big brown stem which is called trunk. So this part is called trunk. So they are very strong and they have a strong root also under the ground. So these are called tree. And one more is, that is creeper. So who are creepers? So they are creepers. Why? Because the creepers, they can't stand straight. So as they can't stand straight, so they generally creeps. That means they just work in this manner in the ground, in this manner. So they actually creeps in this manner. In this manner they creeps. This manner. Okay. And last one I want to show is climber. So who are the climbers? So they climb in this manner. You know, they are also very feeble, very weak. So they are also very weak. They can't stand straight. So if there is a support just beside them, so they have a pot like this, and they just get that support in this pot, and in this way they just stand straight. So they are called creepers. So example of shrub is, say, hibiscus, rose, tree, mango tree, coconut tree. Creeper like pumpkin, watermelon. Climber like green peas, then bitter gourd. So these are the climbers. And grass, so they looks like the bed sheets in a park. So as we spread bed sheets to look our bed beautiful, so grass is same. So they are very small one and they are called grass. So okay, your class notes and worksheet, it is given. Thank you for joining the class.